Discover interior design inspiration where color, pattern, and texture shine. From bold, floral-filled dining rooms to serene, light-filled living spaces in soft blues and greens, these stunning ideas will spark fresh ways to transform your home. We begin at the entryway, where classic elegance shines. A warm palette, paneled door, and console welcome you, while dark wood, blue lamps, and layered textures add richness. A mirror reflects light, making the space feel expansive and balanced. Stepping into the formal living room, rich blue seating takes center stage, offset by neutral walls and chairs. Above the fireplace, another mirror expands the view, while curated patterns, textures, and decor bring harmony and personality. Nearby, a cozy bay window nook softens the atmosphere. Pale green curtains, botanical fabrics, and elegant accents create a serene corner where comfort and style blend seamlessly. Moving into the dining area, the mood shifts to bold maximalism. Floral wallpaper, dark wood furniture, and a gilded mirror shine under a chandelier. Just steps away, a sunlit nook with a tufted bench and green drapes continues the lively mix of pattern and texture, inviting you to linger and relax. In the kitchen and wet bar, vibrant energy takes over. Deep blue cabinetry, botanical wallpaper, and brass accents sparkle against stone counters. A nearby vignette with a wooden chest, ornate mirror, and patterned stool grounds the design, striking a balance between tradition and luxury. For work and creativity, the home office makes a bold statement. Vibrant green cabinetry wraps the space, while a patterned chair and personal decor keep it both stylish and functional. Next, a white kitchen opens into refined tradition. Glass front cabinetry, intricate finishes, and an elegant chandelier set the stage. Flowing into the open living and dining space, soft blue and gray furnishings, airy drapes, and natural light create a serene, welcoming retreat. In a brighter, modern kitchen, simplicity meets charm. White cabinetry and a spacious island form the hub of the home, while light blue stools add a gentle pop of color. Pendant lighting and a scalloped island edge bring playful detail to the clean, fresh space. The dining area nearby bursts with cheer. A crisp white table and ornate chairs sit atop a patterned rug, while colorful drapes frame the scene, balancing playful energy with formal elegance. The living room continues this mix of comfort and refinement. Soft blue seating pairs with light pink and white accents, layered patterns, and natural light, creating a space that feels both stylish and effortlessly inviting. Even smaller spaces get thoughtful attention. A pantry or cozy nook uses deep blue cabinetry, patterned wallpaper, and a geometric rug for intimacy. The theme flows into glass front cabinets, botanical prints, and a patterned runner, making every corner feel curated and rich in detail. Back in the main living areas, comfort meets character. One space features built-in bookshelves, green seating, and organic textures for a tranquil atmosphere. Another centers on a plush sofa and bold blue ottoman, where patterned pillows, floral wallpaper, and shelves of books layer on warmth and personality. Function meets style in the mudroom, where deep blue cubbies, woven baskets, and a herringbone brick floor bring charm to everyday living. And in the wider view, a playful detail, like a family pet, adds that unmistakable sense of home. Finally, step outside to a resort-like escape. Green and white striped umbrellas, lounge chairs, and lush greenery surround the pool. Pulling back, the classic backyard unfolds, a manicured lawn, elegant cabana, and inviting seating perfect for relaxation or entertaining.